Okay, so I'm trying to install Docker toolbox. I'm ensuring that everything is in place. It's a simple exe, select everything, and let's see what's happening right now. Okay, so it's installing Git for Windows right now, and let's see what happens. Okay, so it has moved ahead and it is installing VirtualBox for Microsoft installer. Okay, so it's asking for USB Windows security. Would you like to install this device software? I would click on yes, install. It does prompts with certain Windows. Just keep pressing install, and finally it should give me a message with installation successful. Fingers crossed. By the way, I'm using Windows 8. Okay, so finally I get this message completing the Docker toolbox setup wizard. It says it has finished and I can view shortcuts in File Explorer. So let me click on finish and hoping that the shortcut opens. It does. Yeah, and now I would do a right click on this and run as administrator. Now is the most interesting thing. It should run a bash environment on Windows, which is what it is going to try now, and it is trying to set up the environment for Docker, which is the ISO VM environment using ISO. So if you see, right, it is right now downloading boot to docker.iso from GitHub. That's his URL, and I can actually go ahead and see, in C drive users ahmed.docker. So it says it has finished downloading. It is now trying to create a VM. It is copying the downloaded to my default, so for by default my VM which I'm going to use on Windows, it will be named as default because that's the name it is giving. And now it has created the VirtualBox, it has created the SSH, it is starting the VM, it is checking network to recreate if needed. Windows might ask found a new host only adapter. So this is an important step. It is kind of tricky. If this doesn't allows by default, then it gives a lot of issues. I tried on some other machines as well, and now it is waiting for an IP. Let's hope, fingers crossed again, that it gets the. Okay, so it took some time, about 4 minutes. Now it's saying waiting for machine to be running. This may take a few minutes. Detecting operating system of created instance, waiting for SSH to be available. Detecting the provisioner, provisioning with boot to Docker. Copying certificates, copying certs. Setting Docker configuration, and looks like I have the setup ready. How do I test it? So how do I test it? By running the following command: Docker. I will try run hello world. This is like testing if the setup is proper or not. And it should, so this is expected because by default nothing is available, so it should go to the internet and it should pull for this example for the first time, and it is downloading now. Perfect. And now if you see, right, it's saying hello from Docker, so which means this is absolutely perfect. The setup is running fine. If I run this again, what do you think? Should it download again? I hope you're saying no, because it wouldn't, right? It has already downloaded for the first time, so it should straight away give me hello from Docker. So it's so you see there, it said hello from Docker. It just sees whether you're able to connect to the Docker hub or not. If you get this, we are all set to learn Docker over the weekend. Cheers. Bye bye.